Welcome to the world of technology and gaming. Please subscribe for more videos.
Including vast gold mines and flourishing trade routes. People from far and wide would travel to witness his opulence and seek his guidance. One day, Amina gathered her courage and embarked on a journey to the capital city, Niani, where Mansa Musa resided. He was proud to have played a small part in Amina's journey and the positive impact she had on her community. And so, the story of Amina, the young girl who sought the wisdom of the richest man ever, became a tale of inspiration and empowerment. In this video, you will learn how to create animated video using AI completely for free. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are already subscribed, thanks for coming back. But if you are new here, this is Tech and Gaming, a channel dedicated to bringing you the best tech tutorials with a pinch of gaming. Let's level up together. Please like this video and hit the subscribe button below to be part of the first to be notified of our next useful video. This means so much to me. Now let's get started. This tutorial has been divided into 4 main parts. Also, there are hidden gems in this video you can only pick up if you watch the video to the end. I encourage you to watch the entire video and thank me later. You are welcome. To create your animated video, first head over to ChatGPT and sign up. Once you are done, ask ChatGPT to write you a story in about 200 words. In this case, I asked ChatGPT to write me a story about a young girl and the richest man ever. And it came up with this amazing story you see on the screen. Then I asked ChatGPT to write me the mid-journey prompts for generating images for each line of the story. ChatGPT came up with premium prompts for the images. It did another fantastic job. Step 2, it's time to bring the images from the realm of imagination to light. For this, there are many AI tools, but we will be using Leonard.ai. All you have to do is head over to Leonardo's official website, sign up, and you are good to go. All relevant links are in the video description. Once you are in, it's time to generate our images. Simply head over to ChatGPT, copy the image prompt, and paste it in the provided space. You can add your own keywords to fit your style. Once you are done, click Generate. In a matter of seconds, you have 4 variants of the image to choose from. Download what best fits the story, or all 4 variants. Now head to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt to create the next image. To ChatGPT and copy the next prompt to create the next image. Paste it, tow it, and click on Generate. It may take some time for Leonardo.ai to generate the images. Wait till the magic is complete. Select the best variants from the opt-ins and click Download to Since I have more than 5 prompts, I will do this for the 3rd time. Head to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next image, paste it in the space provided, and click Generate. Now, select your variant and save it to your device. Continue this process until you have generated the images for all the lines of your story. I will speed up the process for the rest of the images to save time. While I save you some time, did you know the like button has a new animation? First subscribe and click all, then like to see it. It's truly satisfying. If you just subscribed, I totally appreciate your time. Thank you. Once all images are generated, it's time to move to the 3rd step. Step 3. Now that we have our images, it's time to convert our story into voice. Head over to 11labs.io. They have some of the best voices available. Tweak the settings to your taste and choose a voice. Head over to ChatGPT and copy the 200-word story it generated. We will be converting it to voice using 11 Labs. Paste the text you copied and click Generate. In my case, I hit the character limit, so I will do so in 2 parts. Allow it to do its magic. Listen to the voiceover and correct any errors. Once upon a time in the ancient kingdom of Mali, there lived a young girl named Amina. She was clever and curious, with dreams that reached far beyond the boundaries of her small village. Amina had heard tales of Mansa Musa, the richest man to have ever lived, and she longed to meet him and learn from his wisdom. Mansa Musa, known for his immense wealth and generosity, ruled over the prosperous kingdom of Once you are okay with the voiceover, click download and save it. Now copy the last part of the text. Head back to 11 Labs and paste it. Click Generate. Wait for the magic. Listen to the audio and click download to save the audio. Give this video a thumbs up if it has been informative so far. I don't take that lightly. Mansa Musa continued to rule wisely, his wealth and generosity remembered throughout history. He was proud to have played a small part in Amina's journey and the positive impact she had on her community. And so, the story of Amina, the young girl who sought the wisdom of the richest man ever, became a tale of inspiration and empowerment. Amina's quest for knowledge and her determination to make a difference in the world served as a reminder that wealth is not just measured in gold, but in the positive impact we have on others. Now we have our audio, it's time for the 4th step. Step 4, bringing the images to life and making them animate. To do this, we have many options, but in this AI tutorial, I will be using runway.ml. Sign up and you will be given 3 options to generate a videos. 1, using text prompts only. The second option is image to video, and the last option is image plus description. I will be using the image plus description as this give more details and context to Runway. The steps are simple. First, click on the Upload Image option and select the first scene image. Head to ChatGPT and copy the first scene and paste it in the space provided. As you can see, I have already done that. You can add more context, such as activities happening in the background, etc. Once you are comfortable, click Generate. Runway will combine both the image and text prompt to generate your scene into a video. And voila, you have an animated video. Now we have our first video. It's time to upload the second scene. Select the scene and upload it. Head to ChatGPT and copy the text for the scene. Head back to Runway and add it. Click on Generate to start your video generation for the second scene. Now that you got the steps, continue the process until you have generated each scene of the story. From here, I will speed up the process. Remember that one friend that loved these kind of tutorials? Subscribe and save this for later so you can try this anytime and share it with them. Thanks for the share. Now all our images are generated and we have video scenes for each line. It's time to edit. Bonus tip, I used the default Windows video editor for this to show you how easy it is to get done. Open your video editor and start a new project. I will call this AI Video by Tech and Gaming. Now click on Add to select the scenes from AI. Select all your scenes and add them to your project library. Once they are added, it is time to arrange them in a sequence. I will reorder them to fit the story. Once you are done rearranging the scenes, it's time to add our voiceover. To do this, click the Custom Audio option and click on Add Sound. Select the voiceover and add it to the timeline. In my case, I have 2 audio files. Tweak them until they match with the video and you are good to go. Once upon a time in the ancient kingdom of Mali, there lived a young girl named Amina. She was clever and curious. Now click on Finish Video and select the highest quality available for export and click on Export. Now here's the final video reveal. Once upon a time in the ancient kingdom of Mali, there lived a young girl named Amina. She was clever and curious, with dreams that reached far beyond the boundaries of her small village. Amina had heard tales of Mansa Musa, the richest man to have ever lived, and she longed to meet him and learn from his wisdom. Mansa Musa, known for his immense wealth and generosity, ruled over the prosperous kingdom of Mali. His kingdom was filled with abundant resources, including vast gold mines and flourishing trade routes. People from far and wide would travel to witness his opulence and seek his guidance. One day, Amina gathered her courage and embarked on a journey to the capital city, Niani, where Mansa Musa resided. He was proud to have played a small part in Amina's journey and the positive impact she had on her community. And so, the story of Amina, the young girl who sought the wisdom of the richest man ever, became a tale of inspiration and empowerment. Amina's quest for knowledge and her determination to make a difference in the world served as a reminder that wealth is not just measured in gold, but in the positive impact we have on others. Remember, this is just a video tutorial and a tip of the iceberg of what you can do with this knowledge I have just given you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe below so you don't miss our next useful video. I like to hear from my viewers, so leave a comment below if you have any queries. Otherwise, if this video helped, let me know below so I keep making them. See you in the next helpful tutorial. Subscribe so you find me again.